In this video, we'll be going over an 11 plus question where we look at the difference in lengths of two routes. Now let's read our question. By how many meters is the distance from A to C via B less than the distance from C to B via A? So let's have a diagram of what we're going to do. So A to C via B. So we're going to travel from A to C, but we have to pass through B as well. So our journey will be from A to B, and then it'll be from B to C. That's the first part. And the second part will be from C to B via A. So what we're going to have our line from C to A, so we have to pass through A. And then we have A to B as the second part of the journey. And so let's find the distance from A to C via B. So the first thing that we're going to do is, since the question asks us to give the answer in meters, we're going to convert all our kilometers into meters. So to convert from kilometers to meters, you have to do the value that you have in kilometers multiplied by 1000. So 1.7 kilometers multiplied by 1000 gives us 1700 meters. Then 1.6 times 1000 gives us 1600 meters. And finally 2.3 times 1000 gives us 2300 meters. Now we will try to find the distance of A to C first. So our distance from A to B in meters is 1700 meters, and from B to C it's 1600 meters. So if we add these two values together, we get, so our zeros here give us nothing in the units and tens column. 7 plus 6 is 13, so we write our 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So it gives us 3,300 meters as the total length of the journey. Now we're going to do our second journey, C to B via A. So the distance from C to A is 2,300 meters, and the distance from A to B is 1,700 meters. Now we're going to add these two distances together. So you have 1,700 plus 2,300, and if we add that, 7 plus 3 is 10, so we write our 0, carry our 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4, so you get 4,000 as a total distance from C to B via A. Now we can find the difference between the two values that we have. So we have to show how A to C is less than C to B, and so we're going to subtract 3,300 from 4,000. And so this is a nice simple subtraction that we can do. So if we write it out, nice format for us, we can have 4,000 minus 3,300. And so we have that 0, and then we have 0 minus 3, so we remove one of the values from our 4, and so our 4 becomes a 3, and we carry 1 over. So we have 10 minus 3, which is 7. And then we have 3 minus 3, which is 0. So 700 meters is what we have left. So the distance from A to C via B is 700 meters less than the distance from C to B via A. With these kinds of questions, it's nice to break it down into steps where you can easily find a way to get your answer. As always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.